Hey everyone! So today we have a 12 by 16 and we're going to do a strainer pour. I'm going to put all the colors in the cup though and do it that way because I like it to blend a little more instead of doing one color at a time. So I already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. That way we can use up all the color in the cup if needed. And since this is a Paynes gray background, with metallic. It's actually a gunmetal metallic that I mix in it. I'm going to start with silver. And then I'm going to follow that with the Prussian blue. This has Grumbacher Prussian blue with the Artist Loft iridescent medium mixed in it, so it has some shimmer. And also Folk Art sequin black. And then I'll put some golden interference in there. That is the gold interference. And then we'll go back to the Prussian blue with the iridescent. And some more silver. And then I'm going to put some Lucas steel blue in there just to break it up in color. It's a pretty color on Prussian blue. Or on Paynes gray. My goodness. Some sequin black. A little bit more of the sterling silver. Back to the Grumbacher Prussian blue. The gold interference. The steel blue. And then the sterling silver once again. Plenty of paint. We should be fine. Now I'm going to lift my canvas a little bit so we get a waterfall effect. So I'm going to place that right about here. And I'm going to hold it up with my hand. That's a little muddy, doesn't it? Hopefully when we stretch it out it won't be so bad. It's that sequin black. It's not a black, opaque black like we like. It's pretty here, just not in the middle. But I can fix that. I can put a little more in that cup and go in with the regular black. I'm waiting to see what's gonna come out of the middle here. Okay, so let me do that because I'm not liking that middle at all. So I'm going to grab my black with silicone, the golden interference, the steel blue, the sterling silver, the Prussian blue. And do that one more time. It's always fixable, guys, we hope anyways, right? I'm not minding the sterling silver in there because that's going to be really shiny. So we're going to let that go right over the edge now. let's hope for a good stretch. I really like this side. So what I think I'm going to do is come over. Here's where I play. When I don't like something, I have to play. Alright, so I'm going to bring it back to the middle. Push this down just to the corner. Okay. And love that gold in there. That really reacted with the black. That gold interference. But some of this might be the sequin black too, because it has a gold tint to it. I'm not minding this. I don't like this here. Decisions. Let me torch it and see if that Paynes gray pops through. It's coming up. I think I'm going to leave it. This is when I need to be on the live and say, okay guys, what should I do with it? I don't want to blow a flower in there because it will not match any of this, what's going on. So I'm going to just leave it. When it's dry, I can come back and put something on it, or maybe it'll just dry so pretty that I'll love it. So I'm going to leave it alone. I don't normally do that. So if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Check out the Etsy shop for all of our paintings. We have a fan mailbox. We have the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code to get $10 off a $95 order. And we also have a PayPal link below if you want to donate to the channel. See, they're getting bigger. I think I'm going to leave it. They're starting to grow. So our quarterly giveaway is April 1st if you want to get in on that drawing by donating to the channel. If you can't afford to donate to the channel, watch the ads. That helps us immensely. Helps us build our revenue up so we can still buy supplies. So any little bit you can do to help our channel is very much appreciated. It keeps us going and wanting to paint more and more and more. I love painting, so I could paint all day long if I just had the time and the place to put them all. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon on the next one. Bye now.